Okay, so 2000 RX300 Lexus, and this one I believe it has a huge vacuum leak because I can hear a vacuum sound like air sucking up on this area, but I can spray water, find out where or something, but whether it's cold, if I spray water it might get freeze. I can use carburetor cleaner spray, but this one is dangerous. It might cause a fire or something. I don't want to do that. So what I'll do, I need to open this air box filter, remove this one, remove this, remove everything here, hopefully to find out where this leak coming from, and we'll see how this one works. This is the map for the vacuum. That's the throttle and everything. You see, everything is here. So if you need to follow any instruction, you will find it here. This is basically what we're gonna do now. Hier war ich so gesehen. To inspect this, make sure I don't see any crack, hole, something. I don't see nothing. So this is the carburetor. So I'm not, as you see. So لسانه ما جاي يصور.
قلت لك انا ما جيت ورده.
وقف وقف. Those are the carburetors, two of them here. I'm afraid if the leak is coming from here, which will be really hard to do. And because here I couldn't find anything, I don't see any crack or anything like that. And all those pipes seems okay. I'm gonna check this one too, very shortly. But all those seems to be okay. Let's check this one. So I'll remove those two pieces here. Okay. This is another sensor, and I don't see any wrong. I don't know, maybe this sensor needs to be replaced. I don't know. It's just so complicated, you know, and it just does not tells you, you know, there is no way to tell. But okay. Okay. Let's check this to make sure nothing is blocking there. nothing. This is completely free. Okay. Okay, what I'll do, I'll put everything back, start the car, and see if I still come here. Now I'm only suspect I'm just over here somewhere, which is, that's the terrible part. If there's any leak, that would be really bad. Okay. Let's clean this as well, just to make sure. Now I'm just gonna wait until this is dry before I put it back. It should dry very fast, as you see. Let's put this first before we put this air filter, so it's just easy. Okay. I'm gonna put this filter. Okay. Put this one back in. Okay, this one goes in here. Okay. That's awesome. So now this one, this mass airflow sensor is already dry. It's time to put it back. Okay, so when I put it back, I want to make sure this sealer it seals good. So let's okay, I think so, should be okay. Okay, let's now this one. It's being tight like that more than almost like half an hour should be good enough. This will reset pretty much everything, the ECM, computers, everything else. So let's put this one first. Okay, and just in here. Okay, now let's start the car and hope that can solve the problem. I hope. Okay, so you know what, I have to be honest with you. After we did this, we removed everything here, we tied down everything, we cleaned this, we cleaned those, at least we can reach. It seems okay, you know, I don't smell any bad gas. The engine is idle, no shaking. As you see, it's running good. You can see that, see? So it seems okay, everything so far so good. I was hearing a lot of vacuum leak from this side, but now I don't hear much. So I don't know what's happening, I don't know. Maybe that can call this fixed, maybe, I don't know. After also we're resetting those for the almost like negative positive terminals for almost 30 minutes and reset everything completely.